To wrap things up about investigations, if there's one piece of advice that you could give to any service member facing an investigation, what would it be?
You can't do this on your own. You need to have, whether it's myself, TDS, Defense Service Office, there are a lot of military attorneys, and there's a lot of free resources out there as well. You cannot and should not do this on your own. If you're under investigation, the chain of command, law enforcement, the prosecution, there's an entire team, a literal army of people trying to dig up evidence on you and build a case to potentially put you in prison. And the notion that you can do this on your own, it's all going to go away, is just monumentally stupid, for lack of a better term, or it's naive. So you need help. If this is happening to you, or if a service member is under investigation, it may not just be the end of their career or losing a rank. It could be something that, in the military now with the sentencing guidelines, the punishments are exceptionally draconian. And so there can be a fairly small offense, which could now cause extensive time in confinement because we have these draconian sentencing standards, which, sentencing guidelines, which we didn't have in the past. And so if you're under investigation, you need help. Get help. Get someone who actually knows what the hell they're doing to represent you, walk you through the investigation, and ensure that you're not going to screw yourself over throughout the process. And if there is a defense, if you're innocent of this, a lot can be done early on to preserve the evidence and tell your story of innocence and get to a point where, hey, maybe it gets to a prosecution team at OSTIC, the Office of the Special Trial Counsel. And if you have the right attorney working for you early on, these charges can be deferred, which means they're not going to go forward as opposed to preferred. And now you're saving yourself a year of pain and a year of risk and potentially a conviction at trial because the charges are going to go away because of early intervention.